Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use the fundraiser feature on Facebook. Really great thing that Facebook's doing by adding this feature, allowing you to create your own fundraisers and donate to other fundraisers. So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what it's about, how to use it really quick, and what it can do. So all you have to do to access this feature on Facebook is head over to your Facebook app on your phone, and then you want to go over to the three dots on the bottom right, or sorry, the three lines, not the dots. The three lines on the bottom right, or the three lines on the top right if you're on Android. So you want to click on the three lines, and then you want to click on See More. And then you'll see a bunch of other options here. You want to click on Fundraisers. And then here you'll see where you're able to create a fundraiser, and it makes it easy to support friends and families and causes that are important: medical, education, business, and nonprofits, and more on here. So if you want to create your own fundraiser, you can go ahead and click on Raise Money here, and then it'll ask you a bunch of questions like what it's about, if there's any profit organization that you're connected with or anything like that. And then if you scroll down here, there is some nonprofit fundraisers as well that people are donating to. So you could just scroll through here, and they're going to show some local ones to you as well with your location. So that's pretty cool as well. So you just scroll through here and see some that are going on right now. And then you can scroll down and you'll see there's some suggested personal fundraisers for you as well. So you can scroll down more, and then there's a little bit of like a question and Q&A section here for some people. So like, who can create a fundraiser? Who do nonprofits receive donations? How are donations to a personal fundraiser received? How do taxes work? So a lot of very common questions will be on here too from Facebook. So it's really great they're supporting you guys like that as well. And then if you keep scrolling down here, there's going to be popular fundraisers and stuff like that. But anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you where to find this, and hopefully answering some of your questions and showing you where some of your questions can get answered. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.